let's talk about solutions here for a minute. Yeah, because solutions are what is going to help us. Solutions are what is going to help if someone else needs to listen to it. अगर पूरा अभी जो भी सुन रहे हैं उनमें से कोई है. So like how do you heal yourself? How do you get to a place where you can say कि हाँ ठीक है, अब these things don't disturb me like they used to do before.
सो सबसे पहले तो जैसे जब भी मैं किसी से बात करती हूँ, आई एम अ मेंटल हेल्थ एक्टिविस्ट, नॉट अ काउंसलर और नॉट अ थेरेपिस्ट, नॉट अ सर्टिफाइड एटलीस्ट. सो जब भी मैं किसी से बात करती हूँ तो फर्स्ट आपको ये समझने की जरूरत है, एंड इसलिए अवेयरनेस, जैसे आप आपके फ्रेंड से भी बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, तो अगर उनमें कोई कांस्टेंट पैटर्न है, राइट, ऑफ फीलिंग लो अबाउट देमसेल्व्स, सम पीपल हैव लो सेल्फ एस्टीम, राइट, some people have, जैसे I had low self esteem, very low self esteem, very low, I was very low in confidence early. तो ये सब चीजें कहीं ना कहीं किसी न किसी चीजों से लिंक थी, राइट. सो द फर्स्ट थिंग यू नीड टू डू इज दैट, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यू नीड टू गो टू अ थेरेपिस्ट, ओके, बिकॉज साइकेट्रिस्ट आपकी प्रॉब्लम डायग्नोज करके वो आपको मेडिसिन दे सकते हैं, ठीक है, बट मेडिसिन, लाइक वी डिस्कस बिफोर एज वेल, कि मेडिसिन अलोन आर नेवर गोइंग टू, राइट. उसके साथ साथ बिकॉज मेडिसिन जो है वो सिर्फ हमारी बॉडी में जो केमिकल इम्बैलेंसेस हो जाते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ डिप्रेशन, उसको वो क्योर करती है. बट दे आर, साइकियाट्रिस्ट इज नॉट गोइंग टू टॉक टू यू फॉर आवर्स, ही इज नॉट गोइंग टू लिसन टू यू, ही विल जस्ट आस्क यू व्हाट द सिम्टम्स आर. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है, जैसे मेरे पास जो भी आते हैं, मेरे कोई दोस्त भी रहते हैं, तो फर्स्ट थिंग आई टेल देम दैट यू नीड थेरेपी, ओके, यू नीड थेरेपी, योर पार्टनर नीड थेरेपी, और बोथ ऑफ यू नीड थेरेपी. तो आई गेस आप की थेरेपिस्ट जो है वो पूरा आपको बचपन से लेकर अभी तक की तुम्हारी सारी चीजें जानता है, राइट. वो पूछता है, मतलब, एंड वो सब कुछ डिस्कस करता है, एंड ही और शी इज द वन हु एक्चुअली आइडेंटिफाइज दैट व्हाट कुड बी द इलनेस, राइट. जैसे डिप्रेशन और एंजाइटी के अलावा देयर इज बाइपोलर डिसऑर्डर, राइट. देयर इज व्हाट एल्स, बहुत सारी बीमारियां हैं, मतलब आई डोंट इवन नो दिस, स्किज़ोफ्रेनिया, और वो तो बहुत आगे है, राइट. बट अच्छा, रिसेंटली मेरे पास एक केस आया था which actually did not go further. One of my colleagues, he approached me and he said कि उसकी maid के husband जो हैं, he is मतलब वो कहीं पे काम करते थे, and for the past 1 year he is very मतलब एक तो बहुत ज्यादा डरे डरे से रहते हैं, सबको एडवाइस करते हैं कि डोंट गो आउटसाइड, है ना, कोई तुम्हें मार देगा, और ही डजंट वांट टू गो टू वर्क. सो ये सारे, अब चूंकि इतनी सारी चीजें मेरे साथ खुद भी हुई हैं, अब आई गेस इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, इसको थेरेपी लैंग्वेज में हाइपर विजिलेंस मोड कहा जाता है, जो कि मेरे साथ भी हो चुका है, व्हेन अ पर्सन इज एक्सट्रीमली विजिलेंट, ठीक है. तो दिस कुड बी वन ऑफ द रीजंस. तो ये मुझे समझ में आया कि ये जो इसके सिम्टम्स हैं इस बंदे के, ये सिर्फ इस तक लिमिटेड नहीं है, मतलब रादर देन फोकसिंग ऑन द सिम्टम्स कि उसको क्या हो रहा है, थेरेपिस्ट जो होता है वो सोल्यूशन वो बताता है कि एग्जैक्टली ये रीजन है. उसके साथ हो सकता है कि कुछ हुआ होगा, किसी पुलिस वाले ने उसे मारा होगा बिकॉज ही वेंट टू वर्क फॉर अ लॉकडाउन और समथिंग लाइक दैट, तो इस वजह से उसको उनको ये सब चीजें हो रही है, ठीक है. तो डॉक्टर के पास डायरेक्टली ले जाने से कुछ नहीं होगा, यू नीड टू सीक अ थेरेपिस्ट. नाउ लाइक आई सेड, एवरीवन्स जर्नी इज डिफरेंट, इंडिविजुअल, या तो कोई इंसिडेंट रहता है, जैसे इस बंदे के केस में कोई इंडिविजुअल इंसिडेंट भी हो सकता है, कई बारी आपके कुछ सप्रेस्ड इंसिडेंट्स भी होते हैं, राइट, जो कि जैसे आपको नहीं पता होता है कि आप, किसी किसी लोगों को नहीं पता होता है कि दे वर अब्यूज्ड एज अ चाइल्ड, राइट. समटाइम्स वो आपकी मेमोरी बहुत ज्यादा सप्रेस हो जाती है जब 5 साल से कम की उम्र में हुआ होता है, 6-7 साल से कम की उम्र में, तो समटाइम्स वो सप्रेस द मेमोरीज एंड सम रीसेंट इवेंट्स जो हैं वो उसको ट्रिगर करते थे सडनली. तो थेरेपी आप लो, ठीक है, एंड थेरेपी आजकल ऑनलाइन भी होती है, राइट, नॉट नेसेसरी आपको आपकी सिटी में ही थेरेपी लेनी है. मैं तब बहुत सालों से ऑनलाइन थेरेपी ही ले रही हूँ. थेरेपिस्ट आपको ये भी बताते हैं कि एट व्हाट टाइम डू यू नीड टू कंसल्ट अ साइकियाट्रिस्ट, ठीक है. इफ दे फील द नीड कि अभी सिर्फ थेरेपी से नहीं होने वाला है, तो दे देमसेल्व्स विल एडवाइस यू कि आप डॉक्टर के पास जाओ, एंड दे विल टॉक टू द साइकियाट्रिस्ट, ठीक है. दे विल गिव अ ब्रीफ हिस्ट्री एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट वो मेडिसिन लेंगे. कई बार हिप्नोथेरेपी, जो तुम्हारा भी एरिया है, राइट, कई बार हिप्नोथेरेपी, बिकॉज हिप्नोथेरेपी के बारे में शायद आप ज्यादा बात कर सकते हैं, तो हिप्नोथेरेपी बता पाओगे. हिप्नोथेरेपी कई लोगों के लिए काम आती है, बट एक चीज है जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, जो सभी को ध्यान में रखना बहुत जरूरी है, whoever is stepping into this journey, is that recovery is never linear. ठीक है, one day after talking to the therapist you may feel absolutely fine that you will conquer the world, you know, and the other day you may feel extremely low again, or some things could happen in your life again which can, you know, trigger your anxiety, which can make you depressed again for a longer period of time. सो रिकवरी कभी भी लीनियर नहीं होती है, ठीक है, उसको रूट तक जाना पड़ता है। तो आई गेस दिस इज इट। बाकी तुम बताओ हिप्नोथेरेपी के क्या वो रहते हैं, कब हिप्नोथेरेपी ली जाती है?
तो नो हिप्नोथेरेपी या हम लोग अदरवाइज जो लाइफ कोचिंग सेशंस लेते हैं, उसमें व्हाट वी डू इज यू नो वी टॉक टू द क्लाइंट। हम लोग कुछ स्पेसिफिक एक्टिविटीज करवाते हैं, कुछ स्पेसिफिक टेक्निक्स यूज करते हैं, कुछ स्पेसिफिक कम्युनिकेशन पैटर्न्स यूज करते हैं टू यू नो हमारे दो टाइप के माइंड्स है, यू नो, कॉन्शियस और अनकॉन्शियस माइंड है हमारे पास।
राइट।
तो टू गेट टू द अनकॉन्शियस माइंड यू हैव टू गो थ्रू द कॉन्शियस माइंड, ठीक है। तो एनएलपी और हिप्नोथेरेपी deals with bypassing the conscious mind and getting into the unconscious because
NLP मतलब?
you know, neuro-linguistic programming.
अच्छा।
So ये अभी कुछ ही साल पुराना साइंस है। It's been in the market since 1980s। उससे पहले भी था। It is a discovered thing। उसमें कुछ hypnosis का भी पार्ट आता है।
Okay.
तो वो अनकॉन्शियस माइंड पे जब आप जाके when you place a thought, when you place an action, when you place an activity in the unconscious state of your mind, तो you don't have to pretty much work on it every time. Your body will give you signals as to what has to be done. तो you know that is why I feel कि हाँ ठीक है, sometimes it works wonders and it works miracles because you don't need a lot of therapy sessions, you don't need a lot of counseling sessions, you just need maybe 1 or 2 sessions maximum. You know, you can cure phobias, you can treat traumas, you can you know, take a person from a state that he is not willing to be in to a state that he's actually wanted to be in from a very long time. You can also you know, take people out of their lazy comfort zone and take them to their peak performance state. अभी काफी सारे जैसे if you've heard of Tony Robbins.
No, I haven't.
Tony Robbins is a very well-known figure in life coaching industry. This guy, what he does is he uses these techniques for transformation.
Okay.
उसका forte transformation. तो वो काफी बड़े स्केल पे ऑलमोस्ट 10,000 20,000 पीपल अटेंड हिज सेमिनार्स और वो वही सब कुछ सिखाता है. सो अगेन this thing works, but you need to know if the affirmation that you're putting inside the unconscious mind of the person, how receptive that unconscious state is, and if it is going to work for them or not. क्योंकि कभी कभार people come to you, in my experience people come to you just for you know, they personally just want to communicate, they don't want a solution per se. Not a lot of people want solutions.
Yeah.
तो आप अगर hypnosis session ले रहे हो उनके लिए, तो at least I make sure कि मैं उनसे उस लेवल तक बात कर लूँ जब तक मैं satisfied हूँ कि हाँ मेरे थेरेपी से इसको कुछ फर्क पड़ेगा. अदरवाइज आई एम जस्ट वेस्टिंग माई टाइम एंड देयर टाइम एज वेल. उस टाइम में तो वो और कुछ प्रोडक्टिव करके अपने आप को हील कर सकते हैं. हिप्नोथेरेपी एनएलपी के अलावा आई फील सो आई सेड ब्रीदिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू नो, कुछ किसी भी टाइप के ब्रीदिंग एक्टिविटीज जो हम लोग प्राणायाम बोलते हैं जिसको, you can go for Brahmari, you can go for maybe Anulom Vilom, you can go for Bhastrika for that matter. You know, you can go for there's this square breathing, if you've heard of it.
No.
Square breathing is very very easy. कोई भी कर सकता है. All you have to do is you inhale for 4 seconds, then you hold for 4 seconds. You exhale for 4 seconds and then you again hold your breath for 4 seconds.
Okay.
तो वो 4 by 4 by 4 का एक स्क्वायर बनता है उसमें, दैट इज नोन एज स्क्वायर ब्रीदिंग. So healing में these things are very important because उस time पे it is very essential that um, you don't try to fight it out, but then you make sure कि you are at a state where you are at peace with whatsoever is happening. So these things also come to aid. उसके अलावा I've seen meditation work wonders for people. People with severe mental illness, जिनको बहुत सारा प्रॉब्लम था, जिनको people who were in a state जहाँ पे बहुत कम दोस्त होते हैं, कोई बात करने को नहीं होता है, family doesn't understand. These people, they started meditating. They started something that we commonly call as self-talk, because again self-talk is very important. Meditation helped them to get through to a place where they had peace, and self-talk helped them review what they were doing. Okay, so we've got a comment here. Please tell easy ways to meditate for beginners. Okay, so the easiest way that I can help you out with is you start with square breathing, 4 by 4 by 4 by 4. If you want, I can put it down in the description when I'll be posting this video. And then you can sit and monitor your thoughts. You don't stick to one thought when you're in a state of meditation. You just be there. For example, if you're going on a drive, you don't look at the scenery that is in front of you. You just keep on driving. So you enjoy the view and you let it pass. You let it slide by you. You don't stop there to stick with it. Meditation is such. आपके दिमाग में जो भी आ रहा है आने दो. If there are thoughts coming in your mind, let them come. They'll come. They'll try to disturb you. You don't get disturbed. They'll go away. This is what happens. This is what happens with a lot of people. I met this Dadi. Today she came to the clinic for some treatment, some neck problem that she had. She's been meditating for 25 years. 3 घंटे सुबह, 3 घंटे शाम को.
3 hours?
6 hours, 24 hours she meditated. And I asked her, दादी करते क्या हो इतना? क्योंकि मैं तो 1 घंटे से ज्यादा नहीं कर पाता. So she gave me a very beautiful reply. She was like कि बेटा ध्यान करो, भगवान का ध्यान करो. खुद में भी तो भगवान है, खुद का ध्यान कर लो. आपके मन में जो चल रहा है उसका ध्यान कर लो.
That's indeed a
ध्यान ही तो करना है. So I was like, वाह यार, ये तो और ही कुछ dimension है. So you can try that. There isn't a right way or a wrong way to meditate.
There are some apps also in the market these days जो कि help करती हैं आपको to get into meditation state. They have instrumental music or someone is guiding through it. So guided meditation can also be tried using different apps. So this is one app I know, a calm meditation. That is good actually. So that can also be tried.
And again, there are a lot of specific sounds that you'll find on YouTube. For as long as 12 hours का भी music आपको मिल जाएगा. Just listen to it, and that frequency will help you tune into your mental state.
Right.
उस time आपके brain की frequency और वो frequency match हो जाती है. So they talk about alpha state, beta state, delta states of your mind. जिसमें when you tune into the right frequency of meditation for your body and your brain, when you synchronize with it, that is when your meditative state begins. So there is not one single way for each and every person. You can just play around with it is what I'd suggest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's one more thing I'd like to add here. So meditation, breathing, ये सब सुनने में बहुत आसान लगता है, but actually it's not that easy, especially when you're going through that phase, when you are at your low.
True.
So it's okay if you're not able to do it, right? मतलब when you are in that state, because meditation के लिए भी आपका एक दिमाग सही जगह पे होना बहुत important है. जैसे for me, I am not. If I'm being honest here, I have never done meditation. मैंने try किया है but नहीं होता है, and even when I'm in the right state of mind, I haven't done it. So she's saying that I try to meditate by looking at a candle flame. Huh? That's also a good
Yeah,
idea.
that is not. It is very important. It is like one of the most important techniques that you can do for improving focus and concentration. And
Yeah.
sometimes helps, yes. But again, I've seen people, they sit for meditation. They're like, they sit for 5 minutes and they'll be like, "नहीं क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? Why am I not silent in the inside? What is
Yeah, you
happening
need
with
to
me?
be
I don't
patient.
want thought." Yeah, so ऐसे नहीं होगा. you
Yeah,
know.
it really needs
Yeah,
patience, a lot of patience.
true.
Yeah.
So, so just the gist of it, I know there's one little thing that I'd like to add. You can do, random activities for that matter. I've seen a lot of therapists giving out this advice to try something new every day, to just smile, and also to do a journal entry for that matter. कि आपके साथ
Yeah.
में जो हो रहा है वो क्यों हो रहा है. These are
I think
small tasks that
these
the
things were suggested by my therapist as well. And she is like कि कुछ भी करो नया, एक छोटी सी चीज करो. Not just my therapist, one of my very good friends, Gundeep, she also suggested the same thing, and it definitely works for me. And it again, it can be different for different people. Like for me, music is my life. मतलब I can listen to music all day. So sometimes I just sit in my room, put on the music, be it on my headphones or or on the speaker, and I just sit there, and driving is therapy
Hmm.
for me. So when I was in US, जब भी मुझे कुछ नहीं समझ में आता था, I used to drive long, बहुत लंबी drive पे चली जाती थी, and that works for me. Because sometimes those are also meditation for whatever you enjoy doing, that actually really helps you calm your mind.
Hmm.
If you are faced
You
with
are faced
emotion
with.
trauma due to a type of work, a lot of stress is overlooked just to work for long hours. Sometimes you start having passive aggression. How do you deal with it?
You would like to answer, or should I?
You can start with it. No issues.
Okay. So, yeah, because of emotional trauma, it happens that overexert yourself. So I guess that's called as high functioning depression. And मैंने भी ये चीज की है अपने past में. So the only option here which I can suggest, मतलब passive aggression तो उसका एक outcome है. Again, it can be very different for different people. Like for me, at times I was silent. At times I used to be very aggressive as well, even in my office. तो पैसिव अग्रेशन आउटकम है, लेकिन इसका रियल क्योर जो है ट्रॉमा का, दैट इज विथ थेरेपी और मेडिकेशन और बोथ. So if you have had emotional trauma, then I would strongly suggest that you go and see a therapist, be it physically, be it online, and yeah, that is the only solution as per me. Mihir, you want to add anything?
Yeah, so a couple of things. Again, when you are at a place where you're working for long hours, you're under stress, and you face a lot of emotional trauma because things are not going your way. I'd suggest ki at least stay hydrated, eat a lot of good food, because good hormones would be released. बहुत simple equation है. I won't say think about good thoughts क्योंकि वो नहीं आएगा. You're not in that state. But at least try to maintain your physical body to a place where you can at least work. क्योंकि अगर काम भी नहीं होगा उस स्टेट में तो that will exaggerate, वो बढ़ते जाएगा and that stress will never go down. So what you can do is you can take care of yourself by doing anything that you love. If you have like 5 minutes पूरे दिन में 5 मिनट भी मिलता है, so do something that you actually wish to do. कि यार दिन भर से ये नहीं किया, let's just do it. For if you'd like, say you're saying you used to go for a drive, पर अब यहाँ पे I cannot suggest people to drive. यहाँ पे 110 रुपए लीटर है, people would kill me. but You can do anything for that matter.
Yeah.
I started writing when I used to feel bad. When I used to feel under stress, I used to leave everything. I used to go out and I used to start writing anything that would come in my mind. Again, if you're in a state of aggression and you don't know how to let it out, you know just find a place, shout it out if you want.
Yeah, I was going to say the same thing.
So you've got this cafe. You used to have this cafe in Indore, Bhadas Cafe, जहाँ पे you could
Bhadas
go
Cafe?
and break stuff. हाँ.
Wow, I would love
और
to visit that sometime. It's still there.
वो बंद. I'm not sure if that concept worked because people did not understand how it used to work. So there are
मूवी जिसमें उसकी मूवी और सीरीज जिसमें वो अपनी बेटी को लेके जाती है एंड देन देयर इज दिस सेक्शन ऑफ प्लेट्स, स्टैक्ड प्लेट्स, एंड यू जस्ट ब्रेक इट, जस्ट थ्रो इट एज जितने ज्यादा गुस्से से आप फेंक सकते हो. इट रियली हेल्प्स.
Mhm. And again, the most important advice that I have for any sort of aggression that you are in, communicate.
या
नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है, बोल दो नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है. Simple. Not to the person who is, who just
Who can
might be
listen.
the reason for your aggressiveness, but someone who can actually help you with it, because uh, definitely you will be needing help if you're under a lot of tension, stress, and a lot of trauma. And you surely have one person in your life. Everyone has at least one person जिससे वो बात कर सकता है. For that matter, and if there is no one, कोई भी नहीं है, कोई बात नहीं, go and talk to a stranger.
या
Sometimes strangers give you the best of advices, because only you cannot open up to anyone. I was reading this book in the morning, और उसमें she was talking about communicating at workplace. She started with saying a very beautiful thing कि हमारे अंदर इतनी सारी चीजें भरी है और हम बात भी किसी से नहीं करते, because आप सबको तो जानते हो, आप किसी के सामने जाके किसी और की बुराई करोगे, you won't even like doing that. So at least what you can do is you can go to a complete stranger and start talking about your life. Make it an interesting thing. People are ready to listen when you tell them a lot of stories. There are a lot of people who still listen to stories.
I know.
Yeah. And they can give you the best of advices. I've had a lot of very encouraging sessions in while traveling in the local metros and buses and whatnot. I used to meet a lot of people और मैं बात करते रहता था, and they used to tell me their life stories and I used to tell them my life stories. And obviously you don't get a lot of you get a lot of old people, तो उनकी कहानियां सुन सुन के कुछ तो आपको सीखने मिलेगा, नहीं भी सीखने मिलेगा तो आपको कहानी तो सुनने मिली. So, that
We should
helps.
actually design a cafe like that for people now. दो table and two people who are coming together, they cannot sit together.
Again, that concept is a bit flawed because people are coming there for, just talking to each other.
हाँ, that should
So,
actually put aside your phone. आजकल लोग ऑनलाइन दुनिया में इतना ज्यादा बिजी हो गए हैं कि मतलब नहीं समझ आता कि लोग बस पूरे टाइम ऑनलाइन ही लगे रहते हैं. उससे नहीं होगा. Put aside your phone. Phone should not be allowed there. I will design that cafe. I will do partnership with someone. Put aside your phone. phone बाहर रखो. कोई Facebook, Instagram कुछ नहीं. कोई सोशल मीडिया नहीं. जस्ट कोई हर एक टेबल पे कोई ना कोई बैठा होगा. Cabin types होगा. And just talk whatever you want to talk about. Sometimes you get to learn things from people. So इससे मुझे एक बहुत अच्छी चीज याद आई. So when I was in US, I was very alone. मतलब I had people around me, but they were of no good. So only couple of them. So अब मैं किससे जाके कहूँ कि क्या चल रहा है मेरी लाइफ में. Like I said, everyone was looking down upon me as if I've killed someone. And मैं बेल पे छूटी हुई क्रिमिनल हूँ. So कोई मुझसे बात नहीं करता था, कम्युनिकेट कोई करना ही नहीं चाहता था, जानबूझ के अवॉइड करते थे. So there was this client of mine. His name is Tem. He's from South Africa, I guess, and he was in US. He was a very dear friend of mine. We became friends actually. So he was one person in my life who actually, even when I would smile now, he would ask me that, Meghna, what's going on with you? Something is not right, and I can see that from your eyes. So he could read my eyes, एंड जब भी मुझे कुछ ऐसा होता था कि मैं क्या करूं, किससे बात करूं, I never discuss my personal stuff with me, but I would just tell him that what is happening with me, that I'm not feeling okay because मुझे ऐसा नहीं चाहिए था. And Americans are great listeners, I tell you. मतलब not that Indians are not, but because वहाँ पर awareness ज़्यादा है, so they know that you really need to have listening skills. So जब भी कोई तुम्हारे पास आए, I would actually ask anyone, everyone, कि don't give advice. ठीक है, अपने आप को उसकी जगह पे मत रखो that if something like this would have happened with me, तो मैं शायद ऐसा कर देता. Some people, you don't know their story, right? You don't know their background, you don't know what they have been through. So people should really start developing listening skills. मतलब इसके लिए एक अलग से सेशन होना चाहिए, seriously. Role plays कराने चाहिए to just make people understand, because this is not something the work of a therapist, only a therapist, And there was this article I wrote on my blog a couple of years ago, one for each. So in every person's life, there should be at least one person who can listen to them without any judgments. उनको पता होना चाहिए कि इसको कब कैसे क्या बोलना है, इसको सिर्फ चुपचाप सुनना है. Sometimes what we do, so there's this friend of mine, Gunti. She is a very dear friend. So what we do is that we just send voice messages to each other. वो बिजी रहती है, उसका टाइम अलग रहता है. सो वट एवर इज हैपनिंग विद अस, जैसे टुडे ओनली समथिंग हैपेंड एंड आई वाज सो एंग्री एंड आई जस्ट सेंट अ लॉन्ग वॉइस मैसेज टू हर एंड व्हेन आई केम बैक शी वाज लाइक, शी रिप्लाइड बैक टू मी. सो आजकल तो इतनी सारी चीजें हो गई हैं, यू कैन डू एनीथिंग. अगर इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू टॉक ऑन कॉल बिकॉज ऑफ when you're busy or anything, so you can even do this. So yeah.
So again, that reminds me, Clubhouse. Have you heard
Yeah.
of Clubhouse?
Yeah,
So
I have. So the trend these days.
my mentor has a page on Clubhouse, and these guys, talk about these things only. He dedicatedly does a 1 hour session every day for people who want to seek help, or people who want to talk about it. कि यार ये नहीं हो रहा है, ये नहीं चल रहा है.
And that's a wonderful
So
idea.
he's there.
I should also start doing it.
हाँ. We can do it on Clubhouse. Yeah,
Yeah.
Clubhouse is like
But वहाँ पर ये है कि you don't have to necessarily turn on your video. You can, put any username you want to. There is no photo. Okay, you can just randomly sign up. कोई भी username रख लो. They won't even know your name. And you can,
that is
randomly.
actually useful, na?
हाँ,
Because some people don't want to be named. They're like, बस help कर दो, it will be enough for me.
हाँ, जैसे इंस्टा, फेसबुक और बाकी जितने भी हैं उनमें इधर आपका नंबर या फिर आपका डीपी और वो सब कुछ रहता है. तो और रैंडम अकाउंट से तुम्हारी कोई फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट एक्सेप्ट करेगा भी नहीं. सो मे बी आपके क्लब हाउस से यू कैन ज्वाइन इन देयर. दैट्स अ वेरी गुड सजेशन हियर. थैंक यू. आई विल एक्चुअली स्टार्ट डूइंग इट. एंड एनीवन हु वांट टू टॉक अबाउट एनीथिंग, you can just सबको ऐसे 10-15 मिनट दिए जाएंगे या जितना भी टाइम होगा, 1 घंटे का अगर टाइम है तो, एंड जस्ट स्टार्ट सेइंग व्हाटएवर you want. You don't have to take names. Just refer to people as A, B, C, D, and just follow
Names, you don't know your name. Even if you're taking names, you don't know your name. तो आप किसी का भी नाम.
If you're talking about someone else, if you're cribbing about someone else, don't take their names. Don't get personal. See, Reva,
No, it is. I still say it is fine. लो किसी का भी नाम लो, अपना नाम बदल के किसी और का नाम ले लो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है, किसी को पता नहीं चल रहा है.
Yeah, so that's a full idea. I will definitely start doing it. Rebu, remind me that we need to start doing this.
100%. Add me as well. We'll do it together. No problem.
It will be open for all whomsoever want to join it. It's a very nice idea. And आजकल Twitter Spaces, Facebook Spaces, सब तो create हो गया है आजकल. You can just do your work and you don't necessarily have to be on Clubhouse. कहीं पे भी हो सकते हो, right? So yeah, that's a good idea.
Okay, so we talked about a lot of things, Aj.
So many things. It was a good life session. We should do it very often, Mihir. Please.
We should do it often, yeah.
Yeah. So I would suggest one thing. ये जो square breathing का तुमने बताया, you can record your video, and put it on Instagram if that is okay with you. So.
I'll do it. No problem.
Sorry, I interrupted you. We were speaking about self-talk. Self-talk. के बारे में हम क्या बात कर रहे थे?
पता नहीं, was I talking about it or were you talking about it? I mean, I remember I was talking about self talk थोड़ी देर पहले.
हाँ,
but
रेवा, you are
but again,
conducting
self talk
session behind the scenes.
self talk helps a lot, is what I'll say, क्योंकि self talk has actually helped me in a lot of places. I'll just give you a very small technique that you can do for yourself, and anyone who wants to resolve a conflict or anyone who's in a problematic situation can actually see through it and get it done with. So when you talk to yourself, you are you're talking, and consecutively you are also answering to yourself. So there's not one person who's doing everything, right? It's two personalities that are talking to each other, is what I feel. So you can actually make use of this thing and create the one person who's asking questions. Name the one person who's asking questions as your personal therapist, as your personal guide, as your personal angel, as your personal healer, as your personal doctor, as your personal whatsoever you might want to call them. And uh, because the only person we can be 100% frank to is ourselves. Yeah. So self talk helps there. When you are in a state of conflict, when you're in a state of problem, ask yourself what questions. मैं पहले भी बताया, never ask yourself why, कि ये मेरे साथ क्यों हुआ से का कोई मतलब नहीं, अब हो गया, that happened, that is in the past. इसके लिए मैं आगे क्या कर सकता हूँ is what I need. Yeah.
Right.
So self talk that way will actually help you resolve your conflicts, will actually help you get to solutions that are already there in your unconscious mind, because your mind always knows what has to be done. Sometimes we listen to it, sometimes we consciously choose not to listen to it.
Yeah.
आप चूज करो
Bring our
नहीं करो,
intuition.
पर आपको वो कुछ करना तो है ही उस चीज के बारे में. So why not talk to yourself, and why not get to a place where you are comfortable with whatsoever solution your mind and your body and your soul is giving you. So that is how this self-talk technique helps. Try it out and let me know.
Reva, it's a homework. You need to try it out and let me know. सो
Yeah.
मुझे दो चीजें याद आई हैं इससे. सेल्फ टॉक के लिए एक तो मुझे मेरे जो गुरु हैं विक्रांत सर, उन्होंने बहुत पहले एक बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल सजेशन दिया था. दैट आई आस्क्ड हिम दैट व्हाई इवन आफ्टर रिजॉल्विंग एवरीथिंग, व्हाई आई एम स्टिल फीलिंग मतलब sometimes sad, sometimes something is missing in my life. So he gave a really good example that what I can do is that shouting के बारे में हमने बात करी, right? Just lock yourself up in a room or where no one can hear you. Shout and sometimes मतलब do say whatever you want to say. Okay. So along with shouting or crying, जोर जोर से या तो रो या फिर जोर जोर से चिल्लाओ, and जो भी तुम बोल रहे हो just record it. Because sometimes what happens कि when you are in that phase ना, आप जब अपना सब कुछ वेंट आउट करने के फेज में रहते हो, सो दिस कैन ऑल्सो बी हेल्पफुल फॉर द पर्सन हु आस्क्ड द क्वेश्चन दैट पैसिव एग्रेशन के लिए क्या करेंगे, एंड दे कैन जस्ट रिकॉर्ड इट एंड लिसन इट बैक लेटर after some time after calming down that what exactly were they saying. So this is one thing, this I actually also have to try it out. I haven't. Second thing is that मेरी जो थेरेपिस्ट है वो मुझे एक एक्सरसाइज करवाती थी बहुत पहले, जिसमें जो सेम तुमने कहा मेरे ना कि यू नीड टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस टू योरसेल्फ, व्हाट, क्या हुआ. सो वो मैं शेयर करूंगी, बट अभी रफली जो मुझे याद आ रहा है वो ऐसा था कि एंजाइटी अगर मुझे हुई तो किस वजह से हुई. जैसे मान लो कि इस पर्टिकुलर मोमेंट पे मुझे एंजाइटी हुई है, तो वंस दैट फेज इज ओवर और व्हेन आई एम फीलिंग टू लो, तो उस टाइम पर नोट डाउन करो एंड फिर कुछ कॉलम्स बनाओ. वन इज दैट मुझे क्या क्या फील हो रहा था, ठीक है, व्हाट वाज माय फीलिंग. तो इधर यू कैन नेम इट और यू कैन जस्ट राइट इट. सिंपल ऐसे लिख दो कि आई वाज फीलिंग, आई क्राइड, आई वांटेड टू शाउट, आई वाज एंग्री, व्हाटएवर यू आर फीलिंग, जस्ट राइट इट डाउन. एंड फिर सेकेंड कॉलम में व्हाट लेड टू दिस एंजाइटी, एंड दिस नीड्स टू बी डन व्हेन एवरीथिंग इज ओवर. मतलब जब आपका एंजाइटी वाला पीरियड ओवर है, व्हाट लेड टू द एंजाइटी, व्हाट वर द थॉट. जैसे मैंने जो बॉस का एग्जांपल दिया था, तो आई वांटेड टू हैव अ कन्वर्सेशन विद हिम अगेन on something which he already said no to, है ना. तो that was the trigger. So next time she used to analyze it, ठीक है, जो भी मैं अपना बनाती थी, and next time फिर हम लोग उस पर बात करते थे कि नेक्स्ट टाइम अगर समथिंग लाइक दिस हैपेंस तो व्हाट आई नीड टू टेल माई सेल्फ बिफोर इवन द एंग्जाइटी अटैक हैपेंस. ओके, एंग्जाइटी आपको हो रही है उसके पहले. So this is not just, I guess, ये this is not just helpful for the anxiety attack, but in general as well. कि जब भी मान लो तुम्हें किस बात पे बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा आ रहा है, कुछ हो रहा है, तो you can make this kind of column, you can make this kind of table, and then you can analyze it. That next time probably मैं गुस्सा करने से पहले ये सारी चीजें कर सकती हूँ, या anxious होने से पहले मैं अपने आप को ये सारी चीजें बोल सकती हूँ. तो gradually आप क्या होता है कि आपको करते करते it becomes a habit of yours. Initially, I used to do it on paper. ठीक है. Now I do it. I don't need paper. अब जैसा कभी ऐसा मेरे साथ
हाँ.
होता है, तो I don't need paper because वो ऑटोमेटिक आ गया है मेरे दिमाग में करते करते. So that's also one thing which really helps.
Hmm. No, again, ये ऐसा ही एक table I used to I had actually read of it somewhere. Again, what you described was emotional behavior therapy. What I read was something different. उसमें they used to make you write some 3 columns, A, B, C. A में था कि जो आपके साथ में हुआ उस टाइम एक्शन क्या हुआ. B में what was your belief or what was your behavior back then. And C is what was the conclusion.
Okay.
Now what you do is you write the thing as it is, how it happened, and what was the conclusion. Second time you take the same action and you take the same belief, but you write the conclusion that you want to get to.
Okay.
Yeah. So, for example, I got angry and started throwing tantrums. ठीक है. तो मेरा belief क्या था कि if I'll throw tantrums, I'll get what I want. The conclusion is I got a big scolding. मेरे साथ ये हुआ.
हाँ.
तो next time when I'm trying to do it, I choose the same action, I choose the same belief, but then I choose the conclusion that I want. अब वो conclusion choose करने से that will give me a lot of clarity कि if I want that thing, तो क्या मैं उस action को change करूँ, क्या मैं उस belief को change करूँ, मेरे लिए दोनों में से क्या change करना easy है.
Yeah.
And I can work on the easy part because your mind will always go for the easy thing first.
Of course.
तो वो easy change कर लो, and maybe your equation would change and you'll actually get to a conclusion that you're looking forward to.
Yeah. That's
Yeah.
a beautiful process. Yeah. इससे एक्चुअली धीरे धीरे क्या होगा कि अपने एक्शंस ऑटोमेटिकली चेंज होते चले जाएंगे विद ईच इवेंट, आई गेस.
हाँ.
तो
And again it action change होगा, belief change होगा, behavior change होगा, सोचने का तरीका change होगा, तो हो सकता है आप जो conclude करना चाह रहे हो वो भी change हो जाए. You start seeing the other side also.
हाँ, मे बी. या, दैट्स अ रियली नाइस प्रोसेस. या.
So, okay,
Yeah.
this is actually
पता
very
ही नहीं चल
smart.
रहा है
Thank
कि
you, bhai.
कितना हो गया है. So this is a lovely talk, and
How
I
long
hope
is
we
it?
can do it again. I think more than an hour, I guess. आजकल इंस्टाग्राम 1 घंटे बाद घंटी नहीं बताता है क्या कि यू नीड 1 घंटा हो गया एंड द लाइफ इज गोइंग टू एंड.
I don't know. Not been on a lot of lives. मेरा दूसरा जो चैनल है म्यूजिक का, I do lives over there only. जहाँ पे
अच्छा.
लोग they give me recommendations and I'm just singing.
Okay.
बस बाकी कुछ. So
I am also
but
going
anyways,
for the second.
yeah.
Yeah, so we'll
So
definitely
you were
upload
saying.
this video so that. Yeah, I was just saying that we'll definitely upload this video, and whomsoever want to listen to it, and if there is something they want to ask to you as a therapist, so they can definitely ask it to you. Or if I can help in any way, you need reference of anything, any psychiatrist around you, then I can definitely get that. So there are a lot of online consultations happening. One more thing I want to tell all the viewers that there are a lot of support groups, right? वहाँ पर आपको time दिया जाता है. No one judges you. Okay, no one tries to give you advice. So there are a lot of support groups online. All you need to do is search that online support groups, and once you register it, you will get the email. So one can also try that. You really need to talk to someone. And the clubhouse thing we are definitely going to start, so you guys can join us as well.
100%. We can also start an additional support group on Clubhouse if need be.
Yeah, definitely. I was anyways thinking to do it. एक support group start करना बहुत जरूरी है, especially in these times. So yeah, so we'll do it.
100%. So it was a lovely session and it was
Yeah,
great talking to you.
same here.
And let's plan something again. Kuch और topics. You know, we talked about a lot of topics where thought of this और हमने आगे चीजें हम lot of content
I'm not
we
able
talk
to
about
hear you properly, breaking.
again. Okay.
Yeah. What were you saying?
Yeah. Audible now? Am I
Yeah,
audible now?
you are audible. What were you saying?
So I'm saying कि हमने बहुत सारा content सोचा था to talk about, but
हाँ,
you know we
लेकिन
just talked
got
about
carried
of
away.
it.
Yeah,
So we talk about the rest of it. We can plan something the next time, and we can do it soon. Yeah.
yeah, definitely. I would love that. All right.
Okay.
Take care, everyone. Take care of your mental health.
Stay safe. वैक्सीन लगवा लिया हो तो लगवाओ, मतलब नहीं लगवा लिया हो तो भी लगवाओ, लगवा लिया हो तो प्लीज ध्यान रखो is
Yeah,
what I can say.
yeah. All right, Mihir. Good night. Bye, everyone.
Right, bye, take care everyone, and you can follow Voice of Meghna's page, and she writes a lot of good stuff, and the blogs that she writes is are actually really nice,
Thank you.
and please start writing again.
Yeah, definitely. I will.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So we'll meet again soon. We'll do some other live next time, and
Uh,
see you soon.
and if there is
Take
anything
care.
specific you guys want us to talk about, you can just DM us and we will talk about that.
100%.
Okay, Meher. Bye. Good night.
Yeah. Bye. Bye. Take care.